What's going on, guys? Welcome to day 7 of my Ftmo challenge. Here are my stats for today. Not much has changed from yesterday. I only opened up one new trade today. Let's see. So my max loss, it was about 2,500 last time. It's 2,900, close to 3,000 this time. Um, let's see what else. Yeah, no new trades. I didn't close any. I didn't close any new trades. I opened up a new trade, which was Euro USD. Just one new trade was open today. Um, no trades were closed. And let me show you my MetaTrader. Okay, so here's what it's looking like. We got floating about $254. The new trade that I opened up was Euro USD. Open that up today. It's doing it's about negative 119. Then we got GBP USD in profit with that, about $53. USD franc negative 679. New Zealand dollar USD negative 435. Franc JPY negative 791. And then the USD CAD, we're in profit with that, 1298. And CAD JPY 997. So let me see, the CAD JPY opened that May 3rd, so that was last week, and USD CAD was May 6th. So yeah, those trades were opened up last week. They've been doing pretty good, so I've just been keeping them open. Not going to close them out until my exit indicator tells me to. I guess when if the trend is reversing, then it'll let me know to get out of the trade, and I could take some profit. Until then, I'm just going to keep riding the trend. What else? Let's see. The franc JPY and the New Zealand dollar USD, those as well as the USD franc. I'm staying in those trades, even though they're not doing well now. I'm staying in them until my exit indicator tells me to get out. You know, we're not going to trade with emotion on this. We're just going to follow our trading plan. Yep, so that's my stats for today. And as you can see, the equity right now is about 97, 278. So pretty much it's like 1 minute I'm floating about $3,000, and then next I'm negative about 3,000. So it's kind of been like a roller coaster up and down. But yeah, just going to stick to the trading plan and see where it goes. So just wanted to give you guys an update on my day 7 of my Ftmo challenge. I appreciate you guys for tagging along and watching the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.